If you're a beginner investor, then you need to watch this video. Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share the top investing tips every beginner needs to know to build wealth and secure financial freedom. Let's dive in. First things first, what is investing? It's the process of putting your money to work to make more money over time. You can invest in stocks, crypto, ETFs, real estate, and more. But before jumping in, you need to understand how these assets work. Before you start investing, set clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, looking to build passive income, or just want to grow your money? Your goals will shape your investment strategy. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking they need thousands of dollars to start. The truth is, you can start with as little as $10. The key is to invest consistently. Small amounts over time can lead to big growth. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different assets can reduce risk and increase your chances of long-term success. A mix of stocks, ETFs, and even some crypto can help balance your portfolio. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about building wealth over time. The stock market has ups and downs, but historically it trends upward. Stay patient, stay invested, and let your money grow. The best investors are always learning. Stay updated on market trends, follow credible sources, and never stop improving your knowledge. The more you learn, the better your investment decisions will be. Ready to start your investing journey? Hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest investing goal for 2025? Thanks for watching, and happy investing.